Hello and welcome to muazo.co.uk. I hope you are having a fantastic week, whatever you're doing. My name is Nitin, and today what we're doing is we're talking about a product that was released approximately a month ago. It's brand new to the market, hasn't really been talked about much. We did a short video announcing its release. As the title says, we are talking about Hanz De Fuko dry shampoo. It's an unusual one for sure. I mean, I've used it in various scenarios. I've tested it. I wanted to get it to you sooner, but I thought I'd test it more thoroughly. I took it to holiday with me to kind of figure out how it would react. I took it in a very hot environment to see how it would take care of my kind of curly, wavy, thick, coarse hair. What it will do when my hair is sweaty, oily, hasn't been washed for a few days. I haven't washed my hair for approximately 2 days, and I've just been using product to kind of manage it. And it's a bit shiny, it's a little bit naughty, it's kind of getting greasy. So I thought it'd be the best time, or take advantage of the moment to whack a bit of dry shampoo in my hair by Hanz De Fuko and to show you and see what it actually does. If you have used dry shampoo before, you know the purpose of dry shampoo is to absorb excess moisture. You haven't got an opportunity to wash it, blow dry it, restyle it. You're on the go, you've got a hot date, business meeting, you've got this in your gym bag, you just get it in there in your hair and off you go. That is a great way of using dry shampoo, using it in a pinch. I'm going to show you how I use it. Simple. It's great at creating, what I've noticed, it's great at creating mattified looks. Positives, it's packed full of plant peptides, proteins, plant extracts, organic extracts, everything Hanz De Fuko loves shouting about. So, I mean, if you could just look at the ingredients list on this thing. These are primarily plant extracts. Lemon peel extract, fruit extract, citrus extract, grape leaf extract, burdock extract. And the idea is the more you use it, the better your hair will become over time. And it's sulfate, paraben free. Those nasties have been removed as we expect from Hanz De Fuko. So without further ado, it says give it a good shake. Spray from approximately, I think it was 10 to 12 inches away. 8 to 10 inches away, and it says focusing on the roots. Once the product dries, use fingers to shake out excess product. Shake well before use. Spray evenly. So let's see what this does. Give it a good shake. Is this 8, 10 inches? I think it is there or thereabouts. And look, like I said, I haven't put more product in my hair. That's why it might look a bit bedheady. Bedheady? Yeah, bedheady. Stick with that. And what we're going to do is spray it in, kind of set the hair again, and then we'll talk about it. There we go. I think it's enough. It smells good too, actually. It doesn't smell too bad. Okay. So let's see what it's doing. It's definitely. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's definitely kind of like mattifying the hair, giving it a fuller, thicker look. If you do see little sparks, little sparkles, that's glitter. We've had kids at work, so we've been entertaining them a little bit. And we've got some glitter in my hair, but that's how we roll. Yeah, I mean, there you go. I'm not sure if you can see that, but adds volume. This is exactly how I've been using it. exactly how I've been using it. I am really happy with that. You may not notice a difference right away, but like I've always mentioned in my videos, my hair is Asian hair. It's wavy, curly, coarse, angry, basically does what it wants, goes in every direction, and this is a great product to manage and almost highlight the waves and curls. And mattifies, it's going to dry slowly as I speak. It's going to get a little bit more matte. And what I might even do is just add a little bit more just around the front, just here. And you can feel it. I mean, like, there you go. I'm done. Now imagine if I was at work all day, it's been a sweaty day, a long day, I'm gonna go out to see some friends in the, you know, after work or after an event, You've got this in your drawer, got this in your gym bag, spray it in your hair, you're ready to go. You're done. Simple. That's the beauty of dry shampoo. It's just that this dry shampoo is packed full of plant peptides. And Hanz De Fuko are really proud of that. So there you have it. I mean, there's not much more I can say. I like how it behaves in my hair. I like how it manages my hair. And if you have used this, I would love to hear what you think. Have you used Hanz De Fuko dry shampoo? What are your thoughts? Leave your comments below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, come on, subscribe. What are you waiting for? We've got loads of videos coming. And that said, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.